Karthik. I study in 8th class in Kendriya Vidyalaya, Embassy of School, Moscow.
I'm Sudhanswaram. I study in Kendriya Vidyalaya, Moscow. I'm Swaraj. I study in class 6 of Kendriya Vidyalaya, Moscow. I'm Siddharth and I study in class 7 of Kendriya Vidyalaya School, Moscow.
I'm Siddhant and I study in class 8 of Kendriya Vidyalaya, Moscow.
What is the observed climate change in Russia?
Yeah, it's a really good question. Certainly, the climate changes here in Russia as in many other parts of the world. To be changeable is the nature of climate. There were many changes in the past, there will be many changes in the future. And there were quite dramatic changes in climate in recent millenniums and at larger time scales. For example, there was so-called warming period during the medieval ages. In the beginning of the second millennium, there was quite cold period from 17th till the 19th centuries. But now changes are, I would say, more pronounced, more sometimes dramatic. And the speed of these changes, the rate of these changes is getting higher. For example, during the 20th century, global mean temperature change was about 0.6 degrees for the whole globe. It is expected that by the end of the 21st century, these changes in global temperature will be much higher, from 2 to 5 degrees, which is quite a serious figure. In Russia, we have some areas where warming is more pronounced. For example, first of all, this is Siberia. This is area near Baikal Lake and central Siberia, where maximum warming rate is registered in this region. But there are some other areas where this climate change signal, warming signal, is much less obvious. For example, northern part of the European region of Russia, there is no warming signal in this area. What's more, there is probably slight cooling during the recent 40 years or so. So this is not a uniform process. There are a lot of regional variations. As for seasonal changes, I should say that first of all, it is getting warmer in winter. We see it here in Moscow. I remember winters of my childhood. But I'm afraid that this is the next question. Temperature are more pronounced in winter. Winter is getting more and more warmer. As for summer, there is no so clear signal, warming signal in summer season. Summer is approximately the same for the recent 20, 30, 40 years. So it depends on particular season, it depends on particular region. There are some other changes not only in temperature, but changes in precipitation. These changes are much less pronounced, I would say so. In some areas, there is a tendency to increase in precipitation, including extremely high precipitation. For example, there is such a tendency in the southern areas of the European part of Russia. There is slight decrease in precipitation totals, in precipitation amount in Siberia, but very slight.